guys, so this is what's going on. Heading to the site where me and Jason 5150 picked up that 1970 convertible Beetle about this time a year ago. I'm gonna see if it's still there because they were going to, I think, demo the house in the barn to make condos or something, if I can remember. I don't know if that's the case, but let's just take a little look and see if the property still has the house and barn on it. And if there is, and the car is still there, I think we're gonna have to go pick it up. I know there was a Super Beetle there. It was a little kind of really smashed in the front, and I think there was a sunroof standard Beetle there. I think it was a 60s, but I guess we'll see if it's still around. Oh, the house is still there. And the garage. Let's see what's happening. I don't think they've done anything, honestly. See anything. Let's see if it's still here. All the stuff we moved. Oh, they're still here. Let me get down there. They haven't done anything. There's all the stuff we threw, cleaned out to get that 70 vert out, and they're still in here. I'm gonna get 5150 on the phone. And I think we're gonna have to get back out here. But they're still here. I think we're gonna have to make this happen, guys. Let me know what you think. Let's give Jason a little ring. I'm actually glad to see they're still here. I'm pretty pumped. I think we gotta save him. Well, let's give Jason a call. Must be very busy. Very busy man, very busy. So now he's calling me. Now I get home making lunch, he's calling me. Well.
I was on the phone with CT. What could you possibly be editing?
Here we go. I'm not editing. You're on film right now. Oh, so I'm leaving that on there because I see there's more important people out there.
Well, you don't put in the work.
So, between me baking cakes and petting my cat, I had time to go out to the old house and barn.
What's the status?
It is exactly how we left it.
Oh, thank you.
So I think it's time to revisit the area and maybe pull those out.
That's a good idea. I like your style.
So after talking to Jason, letting him know the house and the barn still stand, and the two Beetles are still in the barn, I thought I'd get a little more excitement out of him. But then again, he does rescue like 30 cars a week, and you can't always get that "oh my god" moment. So I think we'll get there when it's time. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you soon.